Hey, I'm gonna draw this new line that I noticed, which is off of our Volcker bottom support line. We have this angled line here that's getting resistance along this downward edge underneath our bull line, and we're getting these two reactions here. Yep, right here. So let's get in here and look at this thing and see if we can figure out what this is or if it means anything or what's happening. So here, this area here, we have after our consolidation zone. So we consolidated down here, kind of a double consolidation, but we came to a consolidation point here where it switched into the positive trend line at the end of the consolidation zone. But we got these wild swings out to the edge of the consolidation zone after it switched. And those are interesting. I call that the speed wobble when you get those big swings after the consolidation when you're trying to find the new direction. And so that area here is contained in between our bull line and our new weird line. And then here, the spot where we broke the bull line incorrectly, it's like a false break of the bull trap here. That is contained with reactions in this zone. And now here we have this action here after the MACD has turned over. And we're kind of squished in here. So this is a big wobble redirection move, but this is like a coil when you're out of bounds kind of territory. All these moves are sort of out of bounds. I'm going to call this the out of bounds line. So after we switch to a new trend line, this is big moves down in the wrong direction before we got to our new line, and now this is big moves down in the wrong direction before we continued our bull trap. And now we have hit our consolidation here, and we've done our speed wobble to the edges of the consolidation zone, and we've broken down. And now, instead of consolidating down to a lower trend line, we are out of bounds. And not only out of bounds, but we are over here retesting our edge tangent. This is a big line down from the top of the everything bubble. So we get these tangent lines that split the bull traps in half. But each one that splits a bull trap is also the corner of the previous bull trap. So you see like this one crosses over a tangent and hits that one. And this one crosses over a tangent and hits that one. And we got a ton of reactions on this tangent line. So it's a really, really solid line. I started drawing this line when we just had this first section here, but now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reactions. But now we have started to poke across it here in reverse, and now we closed Friday. We ran across it, but then we reversed at close. So, and now we have the whole weekend. So as we know, these cycles don't take a weekend. So we have 2 days of cycle action happening on this thing, and we're going to open and we're going to see what in the world is going on. Because this is a really, really wild kind of compressed consolidation zone that looks weird. It just looks weird. I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to have to see on Monday. It's big suspense. And I can tell you one thing though, this zone right here will definitely smash that like button right now to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And I just wanted to point out this really, really strange area, and I don't know what's going to happen. So we're going to have to see Monday what is going on here. And I suspect that we're going to break down and consolidate under our thing and continue the pattern, as I've been saying, because that's until you see clear evidence of the pattern breaking, you just assume it's going to continue. And that is that. Happy trading.